Hello and welcome to Finlay Motor Group. Today I'm going to be giving you a short presentation on the used vehicles we have for sale. Here we have a 201 Ford Focus. This vehicle is an ST line. Next we have a 212 Ford Focus ST line with the upgrade alloys. This vehicle is in agate black. Next we have a 211 Ford Puma, finished in Desert Island Blue. Next we have this 221 Ford Kuga, finished in agate black. Next we have a 151 Ford Fiesta, finished in midnight blue. Next up we have this beautiful Volvo XC90, finished in Savile Grey. This vehicle is an OR design with the upgrade alloys and upgrade interior. Next we have a 202 Ford Ranger Wildtrak double cab. This vehicle has a Vertex Ridgeback bed cover on it as well. Now moving on to the vehicles that we have outside on our front line. Here we have a 191 Volvo XC90 Plus Bright. This vehicle does have select warranty. Next up we have this 232 Volvo XC90. This vehicle is a Ultimate Edition in denim blue. Has the upgrade alloys, air suspension and upgrade interior. This vehicle also has the dark pack, meaning all of the chrome has been made into Next up we have this 231 C40. C40 is the Ultimate, the upgrade wheels, has the dark window surrounds, pan roof, and the Ultimate interior. Next we have this 142 Lexus CT200 Hybrid. This vehicle is a mild hybrid, meaning it's self-charging. We have a 181 Ford Focus Titanium, finished in Ford's magnetic grey. Next up we have this beautiful 181 Mercedes E220D. This vehicle is the coupe model. Comes with the cream leather interior, the upgrade AMG steering wheel. Next up we have this E 220D. It's a 221. This vehicle is in perfect condition, including the cream leather interior, the upgraded steering wheel. Next you have this 222 Mercedes E300E. This vehicle is a plug-in hybrid electric, cream leather interior. Next we have a 191 Ford Fiesta ST line in Ford's diffused silver. Has the ST line interior, the upgraded alloys. (221) Ford Focus. This is a titanium, finished in Ford's magnetic gray paint. We have a 221 Ford Focus ST line, upgrade wheels. Doesn't have the ST line interior, keyless entry, and the paint quality on this vehicle is immaculate. Next up we have a 221 Ford Puma. This is a titanium model, finished in Ford's Desert Island blue paint. Have this 211 Ford Focus Titanium, finished in Ford's agate black. This is a 181 Ford Focus Titanium, finished in Ford's diffused silver. Next up we have 3 Ford Pumas, a 221, another 221, and a 211. This one being a titanium. The next in the middle being a ST line in race red. And the last one being a titanium. All 3 of these vehicles are on the same platform. The middle is a higher spec, has bigger wheels, and an upgraded interior. Next up we have a 181 Hyundai Tucson. This vehicle is the 4-wheel drive Excellence model, finished in Hyundai's shadow black. And beside that we have a 201 Hyundai Tucson. This vehicle is a Excellence model, the cream ventilated leather interior. Next up we have a 201 Ford EcoSport ST line, Ford's smallest SUV. Being that ST line, it does have the upgraded interior. Next up we have this 221 Mazda CX-5 Sky Active G, meaning it is the top spec, with the top spec interior, the sports style steering wheel, we also have this 191 Ford Kuga. This Kuga is a titanium model. It is finished in agate black. And this is the last used car that we have. It is a 191 Ford Focus titanium. And now I'm going to be moving on to our used stock of vans and pickups, starting here with this 202 Ford Ranger. This is the bi-turbo 2-litre diesel model. It is a double cab. It is the Wildtrak spec. Being a Wildtrak, it does have the upgraded interior, selectable drive modes, and the upgraded steering wheel with the gold door handles. I have this 221 Opel Vivaro E electric van. It's a fully electric Opel van. Won Van of the Year in 2021. Do have a 212 BMW iX3 Premier Edition. Being the Premier Edition, it does have the full upgrade leather interior, the sports style dash, and upgraded steering wheel. You have the full size wheels on the vehicle. It is a fully electric, being BMW's I division. And lastly, we have a 171 Ford Focus titanium model. Thank you very much for watching my short video on the used vehicles we have for sale. Any of these vehicles will be available from the 15th of February 2024. And I will keep updating this list as new vehicles arrive and get sold. Thank you very much. Hope to see you down at Finlay Motor Group.